away. And when I told him it was going to be the Huayra Roadster, he was absolutely speechless, blown away. Here we go with more supercars down the runway. The Gravity Liberty Walk Huracan is back. Ride high, look at that go. What an amazing livery, what an amazing sound, what an amazing car. Absolutely phenomenal. What a day here at Supercar Fest. Launch with the GT3 RS. Big wing.